We will split and cut a video in Premiere Pro 2023, and then move or delete its parts. First, let's import our video and drag it to the timeline. Go to the point in time you want to cut and split the video at. Select the razor tool, then left-click at the playhead location in order to cut it. Press the selection tool, and manipulate the parts you want. You can cut and split it multiple times. You can delete the unwanted parts, and move them to the beginning of the video, etc. All done. Please subscribe.